Hey beauties, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your wig from start to finish, and this is a great video for you guys that are beginners or just don't know how to do wigs because it is corona time, so a lot of people are not trying to go to salons, so you're going to have to go ahead and purchase your wig and do it yourself. So this is going to be step-by-step instructions on how to slay your wig. Before we get started, please make sure you do subscribe to the channel, click that bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today we have some Wigsgal, and they sent me a full lace wig, I think it is. You guys will see. I'll leave all the specs and all that good stuff in the bottom bar below, but I want to show you guys the packaging that it came in. I like to show like the raw look of the wig coming straight out the bag before I manipulate it any kind of way. So the curl pattern is really beautiful. It did have an initial smell to it, but it did go away after it's been out for a few minutes. But yeah, the hair is beautiful. As you can see, here's the lace, and it is a full lace, like I said. Really nice. I love full lace wigs because you can do your little cornrows, you can do whatever. And I noticed that it came bleached. Yes, Lord, it came bleached. So you could take that out of your roster to do. You don't have to mess with no bleach, and it's pre-plucked, as I'm showing you guys on the side here. But if you are, a little bit skilled, you can go ahead and pluck it some more, but we're going to just leave it how it is because a lot of you girls and guys out there don't know how to pluck a wig. So we're going to leave it just like that. And I'm just showing you guys all the parting space. You can part your hair wherever you want. You can do whatever hairstyle you want. You can do an updo, braids, anything. So I love how versatile this wig is. So I'm starting off by spraying some warm water all over the wig, and I'm gonna get it nice and drenched in that water because I want to activate the curls a little bit more. Then I'm going in with a little bit of mousse, and I'm just gonna rub it all over my hands and put it all over the wig. And I'm gonna just do that until I'm happy with how the hair is looking, and I'm just using this comb to brush it through. Sorry, not a comb but a brush. You guys, it's late. I am doing this voiceover like at 3 a.m. But here's what the hair is looking like so far, and I'm just gonna keep going in and doing what I feel the hair needs. If it needs more water, I add more water. If I need more mousse, I'll add the mousse. So now it's time to deal with that part that it came with, and I'm just spraying some Got2b glue, and I'm taking my hot comb and I'm gonna just flatten that area out to give it a nice natural look to it. I'm doing the same thing to the hairline on the edges, spraying that Got2b glue and kind of combing it backwards away from the face. Another tip on how to make your curls last is spray some Got2b glue spray all over it while it's wet, and it will dry looking just like the wet look. So I really love that trick when I want to keep my hair looking nice and fresh and like I just wet it. So you guys see how easy this hair was. I am done with her for the moment. All I have left to do is cut the lace off and probably tint it. But yeah, that's basically all you're gonna have to do. So I've applied the wig, and I'm not going to add Got2b glue. I'm just going to add my bobby pins. And as you can see how I placed the wig kind of behind my ears, and then I added that bobby pin, and I'm going to do that on both sides, and it gives a nice, tight, secure install. I love this trick. I do it all the time, you guys. I don't even use the Got2b glue anymore. I'm too lazy for it. So that's what I did. Now I'm just showing you guys here how the lace is definitely not my color. So I'm going to go ahead and use my liquid tint, and I'm putting it on a, what is that, a tissue paper. And I'm just going to dab it over the hairline. And you can already see that it's changing the color of the lace. The color was still a little bit more ashy than I wanted it, so I went in with my contouring shade with a little fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna ever so gently, you know, put that product on there. You don't want to build up of product because you're gonna see the difference in your skin tone, and it's just gonna pop like the ashy look. So make sure you use a light hand. Now it's time to deal with that parting area, and I'm not going to pluck anything in this video. So what I'm going to use is some concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, with a nice flat brush, and I'm going to put that on there. And just take note on how I am, you know, doing the brush strokes on there. And you can see it makes a big difference. Make sure you do not skip that part if you want to have a natural looking wig. And now I'm just playing around with the wig, just doing what I think it needs. And yeah, that's basically all you're gonna do with the wig. So how are you guys out there? I know it's been a rough year, you guys. It's been so rough for me. So I know a lot of people out there are definitely going through it, and I just want you guys to know that I'm with you. I love you guys. We're gonna get through it. Just, you know, keep a positive attitude, because positive energy brings positivity into your life. So just try to stay strong and make it through it, you guys. But here I'm just showing you a close-up of the wig. It looks nice and natural, and I didn't have to do anything to it. That's the crazy part, you guys. I really didn't have to do any kind of bleaching or plucking. All I did was use some concealer, a little mimicking with the hot comb, and she is alive and slaying your world here. I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.